My dear, are you still thinking about them? You search through their profile a little too often. You replay the last discussion you had with them in your head, and this makes you to ask yourself, should I really say something? But a second thought came within you. But what if I mess things up for myself? Please, I really want you to stop right now, because the worst thing that can happen to you is not about you being rejected, but it's about you never knowing what could have happened if you'd really asked them out. I want you to stop pretending and lying to yourself that you are waiting for the right time, because you are just hiding behind your so called right time. You have to create time to ask them out, just like the way you used to create time to do other things that are important in your life. When it comes to asking them out, I want you to take note of these three things, and they are very important, which are: number one, they are humans just like you. The person that you want to ask out is not a spirit, is not a perfect human being that came from heaven. Is a human being that is made up of flesh and blood, just like you. And they also have moments of insecurities in their life. They also have moments of fear and doubt in their life. They also have challenges that they face now and then. And they also have moments of hope, just like you. Number two, confidence is not loud, but rather confidence is clear. And that is why you do not really need to speak loud. You do not really need any material possession. You do not really need a well written and structured speech for you to rehearse and memorize before you ask them out. You don't really need any experience. You don't have to come from a good background or a good home. You don't really need to have a particular personality. You don't really need to have any material possession. You don't really need to be a social person before you ask them out. But what you just have to do is to have the confidence, the boldness to walk up to them and ask them out. For example, when you see them, you will say hello. You walk up to them and tell them, excuse me, can I have a word with you? And if they give you their audience, what are you going to do next? You just tell them, I want to take you out. If you don't mind, I want you to tell me when it will be convenient for you so that I can take you out. And that is all. It won't bite. Number three, rejection is not the end, but rather it is a redirection. And that is why I am really encouraging you to take that bold step and ask them out, and expect a yes from them or a no from them as an answer. And if you're unfortunate and you get a no as an answer, do not kill yourself over it. Do not feel too bad because of that answer. But I want you to clap for yourself. I want you to celebrate. I want you to be happy. Why? Because you had the courage. You were so bold for you to shoot your shots. And this has enabled you to move out from your fantasy to come to reality. And this will make you to shift your attention to somewhere else for you to see someone else. And that is just it. I want you to know that it is not anyone that you ask out that is going to give you a yes as an answer. If you ask anyone out and they tell you no, I want you to know that it is not because you are worthless or you don't have a class. Maybe it is because They are not ready for a relationship at that moment, or maybe you are not really their spec. If you have their phone number, do not procrastinate. I want you to pick up your phone and call them or text them. Tell them you want to take them out. It does not matter how you do it. Just ask them you want to take them out. It is very important you do it. Do not allow fear to control you, but let courage take over you. Yes, this is very important. And I want you to ask them out without any drama, without pressure. Just be yourself and ask them out. And if it leads to something beautiful, you'll be so excited that you were able to shoot your shots rather than you living in your fantasy and allowing someone else to shoot their shots before you, and this will make you to be regretting. Finally, do not say you are waiting for the perfect time to come for you to ask them out, because the time for you to ask them out was yesterday, and the best time for you to ask them out again is now. And if this video really makes sense to you, I want you to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone, because you never can tell who is finding it difficult to ask their crush out. This can be a help to them. And here in Simplicity in Peak, we are not surviving life, but we are living life. I want you to be courageous, be bold, and ask them out. And I will see you in my next video.